Watch it, watch it. Alright. Yeah, that female looks just like Itchy Boots. Howdy. Well, today is supposed to be a great day, sunny. We were told this is the last week that is going to be kind of like this type of weather. Apparently next week it's going to start dropping on the 30s during the night, 60s during the day. So okay, the plan for today, right now we're heading towards Deals Gap. We're gonna stop at the Killboy shop, sticker shop, whatever you want to call them. And from there, we're gonna work our way towards the Dragon. Once we pass the Dragon, we're gonna make a stop at the Harley dealer. The Dragon. And after that, we're gonna get on the Foothills Parkway. And from there, Foothill Parkway, we're gonna work our way east. Maggie Valley. We're gonna try to stop, which I don't know what time it's gonna be, you know. We're gonna try to stop at this restaurant that I seen it before in Franklin, North Carolina. It's this restaurant that a few years back, Adam Sandoval made a stop in there. But I knew about that restaurant somehow. From one of the video, I think. It's a pretty cool restaurant. And if I'm not mistaken, this restaurant is sitting on is right on in a gas station. From what I remember. So we'll see. And from there, as time goes on, we'll see how much time we have daytime. We're trying to hit the Moonshine 28 from Franklin, Tennessee, all the way to Robinsonville. So we will gonna play by ear, see how much time we have. If we get to a point that we run out of daylight, we may have to cut the route short to make it back to the hotel. But man, it's a beautiful day today. Sunny. The colors of the leaves start changing. It's beautiful. I don't know about tomorrow. There's a possibility of rain on the way home tomorrow. So that's a little update that I have you guys for right now for the itinerary for today. Okay, we are here at the Killboy store. Let me see.
That's a glimpse into the future for itchy boots.
Huh?
That's a glimpse into the future for itchy boots.
Yeah. Man, he looks just like her.
Oh yeah, she looks great. Itchy boots looks fucking great.
Yeah. Have you seen some of her videos?
I haven't watched them since she's been going across Africa. But I watched all of her stuff from, you know, here and South America.
She did a couple episodes. She went to Spain with this other guy that I follow.
Yeah.
They look too friendly to each other.
Spend a lot of time out on the road.
And him too.
You gotta have a friend.
he spent most of the time on the road too.
Itchy boots. Girl's been riding dual sports around the world for years now. It's a long time. I don't know how long she's been doing it, but the other guy from C90 Adventures, Ed March. You ever watch that guy's stuff?
No.
Man, that guy. You know what a CT90 is? A little trail sport. A Honda fucking moped.
Oh, I think I was following him a couple years ago.
Yeah, he was riding that thing everywhere, all around the world.
Yeah.
And then he did the one recently where he rode that little mini Jeep. It was like a kid's toy across Utah.
That's where he's staying. That's where he's living now, I think.
Yeah, he lives in Utah.
That's when Ichibu stopped by and
yeah, he broke his leg or she broke her leg and he came to get her or something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Get some stickers.
Yes. Yeah, to me, this is the place to get them. I think over there has some good stuff too, but
we didn't go there last time.